How's everybody doing? Thanks for tuning in. So this is the last video before the 122 final. And I just want to share, for those of you that have been following along, some of the details I added to this Walther's GP9 Phase 2 chop nose before she goes into the paint shop. And then at the end of the video, I'll do a quick run-up because she does sound a bit different, a little more throatier actually, with the long hood on as well as the custom-built speaker enclosure, okay? So here we go. Okay, so as most of you may or may not know, I like the long hood's been painted over, but I redid the top non-dynamic here with the original exhaust stacks. Then I added a winterization hatch and then lift rings and grab bars down the rear. I have pilot mounted deck level ditch lights on the rear pilot as well with 4 drop steps and MU hoses and retainer bar. Then I modified the skirt like the prototype from the model. And then as you can see on the roof here of the cab, there's the distinctive full-length sunshade, which is wider than a standard one with the rain lip there and details that go along with the prototype. And then I added the wiper blades here as well with the appropriate grab irons. And then you can see on the front where I added the 4 drop steps on all 4 corners. I had to pack out the pilot a bit to accommodate the bottom one and the layout of the new stairs. And then you can see the snowplow is really good, except I added a plate like the prototype that was welded along the bottom. Then you can also see the lift bar by Detail Associates, which is really scale. And then I scratched up the pilot mounted anti-climber without a drop step and the short pedestal ditch lights, which I describe how to scratch those up in the Making of 381. And then just in closing in this part, you can see the MU hoses, which are by High-Tech Details. I really like them. They're really scale and they have a rubbery kind of feel to them, you know, the way they lay on the pilot like that. And then just in closing, the trucks, the only detail I added was 15 thou brass wire airlines to the brake cylinders and the speed recorder. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a quick run up in closing. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.